A grenade. Hey, catch. Oh, Calvin? Is that your name? Now.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
I am very tempted to do it again. You have no idea. But come on. Don't come out here, go come any closer. Please don't. Yeesh. Bruh, can I ask you a question? Sorry. It's very tempting. Hey, it's better than a grenade though. Where are we on the island? I don't know, where should we live? You know, actually, I might bring him with me. Man's deaf, but he's not blind. Follow me. Yeah. Oh great, I love the nodding head. It says he knows what I'm doing. Come on. Ooh, a stick. Now, so as much as I know about this, there are natives on the land. Now, some could be cannibals, and I think some aren't cannibals. Oh, I guess we'll have to see. I'm gonna find a suitable place to build a base. Hopefully I survive. Kevin? Where is he? There he is. For more of its eeriness, it's quite peaceful. Hey, did you hear that? They're in the walls. They're in the guts. No? They're not on the walls? No? What's wrong? You scared? Okay, I'm scared too. Kevin! You hear that? Monkeys! Oh, I think so. What are you? Kevin? I'm gonna try to speak that language. Now, I'll probably be shit. I'll try. Iwo Jima zi laku miseta chame ta dudiku. Okay. Hi. We're friends. Kevin? So Kevin, where are you going? Look, he's harmless. Hey, I'm gonna try to speak to him. Hey, dude. Buddy. I'm chill, man. I'm chill. Hey. Whoa. Okay. I didn't know to do that. Dude, you alright? Hey. Hola. Zida? Mr. Gita? You alright? Kevin? What are you... Oh, yeah. I'm chill, man. Come on. Let's be friends. You cool? Whoa! Okay. I think he's beating my dead corpse. Wow. Okay, I tried to negotiate them. It didn't go to plan, so I would consider them hostile now. Oh. It's none of those monkeys. Now, I tried negotiating with them, but they didn't like me. Maybe this one's not different. Ila Zuda Michel? Jaco Molota? I think I spoke to him. Hey, dude, come back. There you go. Oh, fuck it. Oh, you're there. You mother clucker. You scared the shit out of me, man. You know what? Did you? Yeah, no, you run that direction. I'll go this direction. Jeez. They're a little... Is he following me? Dude, I told you to go in your direction. Leave me alone. He's not gonna leave me alone. So, hey, where did he go? Kevin? What's this? Oh, no. A bigger axe. Hey, that'd be very nice. A rabbit. Hey, Kevin, let's get him. Get back here, little rabbit. Monkey. Kevin? We have a monkey among us. Oh, there you are. You afraid of me? Yeah? You gonna run away? What was that? I got a bigger axe. The bigger the better. I don't need a rock. Why do I picking up the rock? Not the literal rock. The object, the rock. Kevin? Where is he? Where is he? Kevin? I'm just calling him Kevin because it sounds easier. The guy keeps running off. Supposedly there is something up here. Ooh. I hear a beep beep beep. Sounds good. Please don't be a bomb. A rope. But what a rope to? I wonder. Kevin? There you are. Come here. What's this? I missed. There you go. Should I jump? What do you think? No? No, I shouldn't jump? You sure? Oh, you're no fun. I'll jump on a small rock. Now everyone's gonna think I'm a pussy. Look at that. That wasn't fun. Alright, well let's find what we got. Okay. GPS locator. Ooh. This guy had a little bit too much to drink. Hey, a torch. Could be good in dark places. That's if I ever go to dark places. Well, anyway. Since now that I have found that marker, I should find a place to live. I guess as you know, it's best not to be out of dark. It's good intentions. So me and Kevin here are going to build a nice base somewhere. Just don't know where really. And I'm going to surround myself with walls and live in the wild. But, ooh, I could have died there. Thank God I got strong legs. I don't know if I'm hearing those tat tat tats and I keep thinking it's the monkey man. Cool. Ooh. What the hell are they worshipping over there? Ooh, ah, 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 ah. Sounds like someone's practicing their vocal cords. Don't mind me, I'm just passing the area. Don't mind me, I'm nowhere to be seen. Kevin, you alright? Where is Kevin? Alright, we should be fine now. Then onwards. What the? Not. Is it you again? You do know that if you're on. Hey, boys. What's this? You hear that? Hang on, what's that? Ah, you little bastard. Look, I'm a good. Alright, okay. You don't like me, I get you. Just a little rude, you know. I didn't do anything to you. Where's that fog over there? As I'm distracted by the fog, the misty men come out to play. This is interesting, because it seems like nowhere else is foggy. Why does this interest me? For a second I thought it'd be something darker here. Nope, just my imagination, I guess. Hey Kevin, wrong way. Kevin, you walk like a woman. I just want to find a place to sleep. Place to call home. Place where I won't get murdered by a bunch of tribal men. My god, you're so tiring, guy. I bet you're hungry. Oh. I think I found where I like to stay. Is there fish here? How deep is the water? You know, I think I might live on the beach side of this area. It's not the worst spot, but I think we can get fish out of here. Yeah, no, I think it's not a bad spot. You know, it's overlooking the Nice ocean. Got a little roof of Ruby here. Kevin's over there running his ass over here. Guys, a little troubleman. We're thinking these guys are an absolute bunch of dweebs. But nah, I think this might be a good place to build a base, I guess. Alright, let's get cutting. For a second I thought I would kill that lady. Ah, he's lovely with 3 arms, 2 legs. Kevin, you good? We have been greeted by a lovely lady of the unknown. Oh, hello. Huh. Women.